Hi everyone, welcome back with a recipe video. Two recipes from my previous vlog I had told I would be showing. Since the weather is chilling, these recipes could be really warming. So let's begin. Beginning with chicken soup in rice water. Now this was a trial I made. Instead of using plain water, I took the starchy rice water we get after cooking the rice. If at all you don't want to use this, you can add plain water and add a tablespoon of corn flour. Now for chicken, I have used 2 large pieces. I have shown how to cut a whole chicken in one of my previous videos, do check it out. Then you need celery, 1 large onion, 1 carrot, few cabbage leaves. These are for making the stock. I have used my clay pot for this. Adding the chicken pieces. I have added the neck piece just for the stock. Chop everything roughly to large pieces. Add all the vegetables to the pot. Adding around 1½ tablespoon of whole black peppercorns, 2 bay leaves, some salt. Then add enough rice water to it. Here I have taken around 5 to 6 cups. If you don't have enough rice water, mix in some plain water. Just give a mix. Keep on medium-high flame. Then we need to chop few more vegetables. I have taken 1 celery stick, garlic, ginger, carrot and spring onion. Now don't go for too much vegetables. Soups are always best for drinking with little bites in it. Meanwhile, the stock is boiling. If you are using a clay pot, be careful, keep it in low flame, it may overflow on high flame. Reduce to very low flame. A wooden spatula kept in it may help not to overflow. I've chopped everything to very small pieces. Chopping some ginger to thin strips, that's for the garnish. Then few more, around a tablespoon, chopped very finely. Same way chopping celery. That's half carrot, 1 spring onion. Now the chicken is well cooked, so taking it out. Strain the stock. Now shred the chicken. I had also cooked some pasta for an added taste. You can even use noodles instead of pasta or a little of both. Now heating the same pot after cleaning, melting some butter around 2 tablespoons. Firstly, add in the ginger and garlic chopped along with the spring onions and saute well. Then goes in the celery and carrot chopped. Mix in for 2 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix well for a minute. Then add the stock. When it just begins to boil, add the chicken pieces. Then goes the cooked pasta. Add some and check if more needed. I added almost a cup of pasta. Mix everything and give it a boil. Finally, add the spring onion leaves and it's ready. Now for an extra flavoring for the soup, into a bowl adding a tablespoon of thick soy sauce. Then goes 3 to 4 tablespoons of vinegar. Adding some chilies chopped. I've added red and green just for a color, you can go for any one. Some salt and mix. Now serve the hot soup. Garnish with chopped spring onions, ginger strips. Then adding little chopped parsley, you can add coriander leaves instead. Adding the chili sauce, just 1 or 2 teaspoons. And the soup is ready to dive in. Next is a sweet dish. It reminds my childhood because my mother prepares this most of the time and I had it even during my last vacation. I like it more when the dish is warm, but you could have it chilled as well. You can have it as a dessert along with your evening tea, or just like how I like, have it for breakfast. So let's see the preparation. Now for this you will need Horsegram, which is one of the superfood which has endless benefits. You can check over the internet, it's flooded with number of health benefits, but nowadays it has very low profile. If at all you don't have the Horsegram, use the red cow beans, which also goes well for this dish. Here I've used 1 cup Horsegram. Check for the stones hidden in it or you'll have tough time while having it. These are the bits and bobs I got from here. Wash well and add it to a pressure cooker. Add enough water, around 3 cups. And cook on medium flame. That's jaggery. Here I'm taking 2 large pieces. It all depends on how sweet you need the dish. Melt in little water. After the first whistle, lower the flame and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now this is pumpkin. It's not overripe. You can adjust the amount of jaggery depending on how ripe or sweet your pumpkin is. Removing the skin. Wash and cut it into large cubes. After 10 to 15 minutes of cooking, make sure the pressure is completely gone. The horsegram is cooked well. Add the pumpkin cubes and cook for just 1 whistle. Pumpkins get cooked very fast. The jaggery is thick and melted completely. Now into a mixing bowl, add 1 or 2 cups of shredded coconut. It should be at room temperature so that you could squeeze the coconut well. Strain the jaggery syrup so that the dirt is collected separately. As the jaggery was very thick, I added half cup of hot water to it. Mix well. Lightly mash the pumpkins, but not all, let there be chunks remaining. Add the coconut jaggery mix. Keep it on medium flame. Add a pinch of salt. Now to get a little thick consistency faster, you can add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. It's optional, but you could add if you want. And the dish is ready. So that's for today's pinta recipes. Do try these and I would love to hear your feedback. Share among your friends and family. For more videos and updates, don't forget to click the subscribe button, pressing the bell icon. See you soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.